All right, guys, for today's little activity, we're going to design a house. I got a little carried away doing one of my own, and I thought, hey, I bet they would like this. I had Mrs. Smalley's class do it the other day, and they had a great time and showed a lot of creativity. So I'm trusting that you'll do the same. I'm sorry, I'm not here to help you with a lot of the questions you might have, so I'm going to do this little tutorial, and hopefully that will help you. So I'm going to just quickly show you an example of the one I made. That's mine. So I just use shapes and clip art. When I search for a clip art, I always make sure I type in PNG so that it makes the background transparent. You know, he can go anywhere. He doesn't have a white background. So that's kind of a key feature. I wrote PNG on the board so you will remember to do that. And I just use different shapes and different colors with the bucket, you know, up here. I could change the color of that mountain if I wanted. I made my windows out of shapes. I made the lines with lines, the little window in the door. This was a shape. So I'm just going to show you a couple things, and I want you to create your own. I don't want you just to find, you know, a house online and then put it in and consider it done. Create your own. Be creative. Some of the kids in the last class did cabins. They did barns. They did a barn and an outhouse. A lot of different things. Okay, so let me go back to a blank one. So first thing I did, I just got a shape and made a rectangle and made my grass. Or you could make your dirt, whatever background you wanted. And then I got another shape for my sky, a rectangle, colored that in for my blue sky, whatever. Okay, so what if I want to do a house, but I want it brick? So I'm going to search the web, and I'm just going to type in brick wall. Okay. And if I did clip art, then it's going to be like a drawing. So either way, I think clip art's just kind of fun. So let's say I'm just going to use this one. Click it. So look how humongous. I am going to turn this into a shape. So over here next to the crop image is a little drop down arrow. It says mask image, and you can change your image into a shape. So my shape, let's see, I'll use this one. It's an upside down house. And then I can turn it around, make it a little smaller, a little squishy. Okay, remember how to turn it around, that little round. Try to line it up, or it might look like the crooked little house. Okay, so that's how you mask an image and change the shape. That's a good thing to remember. What if I wanted to put, a window? Let's just do another shape, and this little, okay, which that one actually worked. But what if I wanted the brick wall to go in front of the window, which I wouldn't in this situation, but just remember to order things. You go to arrange and order. And I'm going to send that to back. So my brick wall now went behind, which I really didn't want to do. Just wanted to show you how to do that. Okay, so if I wanted to change the outline of that, remember, here's your color, your border color. Let's just outline it in yellow, and I want it pretty big, like that. Another feature I really like is duplicate. So if I made just a window, let's just say this one. I'm going to change the color to make it look more like a window. Okay, if I wanted one on both sides, I just Command D and it duplicates it, and then I can drag it in place. Okay, see how that red line goes through? Just kind of to center it. Now if I wanted to duplicate it again, I can make me a door using that same shape, just stretch it out. Looks like an ironing board. Make my Philip Brown. But another fun thing would be to search for wood. I'll just say wood texture. Maybe I can make my door out of that. So same thing, I'm going to go over here to mask, do my shape, find my door shape again, make it much smaller. Much smaller, much smaller, and turn it around. Anyway, now it's a wood door. So that's kind of a fun little feature. Okay, some of the kids, let me just show you what they did, and it turned out cute, neat. They found like they looked for like country lane or whatever, a meadow or a field, and put their house in this field or next to it. Let's just say green grass or like that. Insert it. That one might not be big enough, but okay, so of course this one would be one that I need to arrange, order, send it back. Okay, so be creative on the roof. You could type in shingles, you could type in wood, whatever, and then mask it into a shape, or you could just use shapes. For mine, on my other one, I just used this little triangle thing that was right here. It was a little tricky to work, but when I finally got it going, and then I colored it gray, it was this thing. Okay, so just be creative. I'm anxious to see them all. Hope you do your very, very best and share your ideas, share with me. Have a great day.